Canon Professional Services is a program built around giving you the reliability and peace of mind that any photographer would want.
There are multiple levels of CPS membership for individual photographers and filmmakers. There is also an enterprise CPS program for companies with large quantities of equipment.
Anyone who would have a certain level of professional equipment could qualify for CPS. The most basic level is the silver levels. Basically, you're going to get the 1-800 support line, and you're going to get a quicker turnaround on your support. Gold level is going to be where you really start to see the value of the membership. You'll get to take advantage of our evaluation loans.
Evaluation loans mean a CPS member can do a thorough test of a piece of equipment before making an investment.
I've taken advantage of the Canon CPS evaluation program. I used the Canon 1DX Mark II, evaluated it to compare it to the 1DX, and ended up going on and purchasing the 1DX Mark II.
Through the evaluation loan program, I was able to try out the 200 to 400 millimeter lens. In being able to try it out, we decided we wanted to purchase it.
Platinum level is going to be where you see the most value if you own a significant amount of equipment. You're going to get a lot of clean and checks for all of your cameras, your lenses. With platinum level, you can actually evaluate equipment a couple more times and you get more experience with the equipment before you actually go to purchase it.
Canon has walk-in professional service and support centers across the country, 24/7 hotline, and on-site support at major media events, workshops, and trade shows.
The greatest perk of being a CPS member is knowing that Canon is going to be at the major events and that they're actually going to support you if you have an issue with gear or a lens that you didn't bring, or even a lens that you don't even own that you wanted to try at an event. They're just there for you.
Time is everything. The quicker we turn around the equipment to you, the better.
The perks of being a CPS member that are most beneficial are fast turnaround for the repairs on my cameras if I'm in a situation where one of my cameras is not working.
Whether you're an emerging or seasoned pro, if you're making a living using Canon equipment, CPS can become a strategic part of your business. Go to usa.canon.com/CPS to sign up, renew, or upgrade your membership. Enter the equipment you own to see what level you qualify for.